Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and customize screen tint in your Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it in the search box, settings, and then hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your accessibility in the left side menu, and then you will find screen tint here. You can click on it. Then as you can see, turning on screen tint will disable color filters. So if you have already activated the color filters, it will be disabled. So you can, turn it on by click this toggle. So you can show a color overlay on your display to reduce eye strain and improve viewing comfort. You can turn it on and it will activate it. And then also you can choose the tint color, maybe like this. It's up to you, basically. So yeah, and then also you can choose the strength. Maybe you want very strong, or like this. You can set it up. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.